Diamond painters. Imagine having all your projects perfectly organized. Timers, stats, even a live leaderboard. No more messy notes or forgetting what kit you started last. This is the app we've all been waiting for. Dreamer Diaries makes it so easy to track your progress. See how many hours you've spent, how many diamonds you've placed, and filter by brand, shape, or completion status. Need a little motivation? Earn points on the live leaderboard and compete for $500 in prizes every 2 months. Stuck on what to work on next? Let the shuffle feature pick a project for you. It's like a slot machine, but way more exciting. Got your Dreamer Designs kit? Just scan the barcode and boom, it's instantly added to your collection. No more typing in details manually. Dreamer Diaries isn't just an app, it's your new crafting best friend. Every diamond placed, every project finished, it all counts. And now you can finally keep track of it all. If you love diamond painting, you need this app. Try it free today and take your craft to the next level.